Hello, I'm the Dynamic Dipper from Morecambe Bay. We are in Morecambe Bay today. We're going to go for a dip in a bit. I don't know what the water temperature is actually. I'll find out and I'll put it at the bottom of the screen. So if you're wanting to start outdoor swimming but you've not done that yet, or you've been a couple of times but you've not then had a break and you've not been for a long time, we're talking about motivation today. Motivation to get in the water. Motivation generally, but motivation to get into the water. So if you like my videos, please click on the button below and subscribe. That would be great. Little cheeky advert for Lancaster Brewery there. It was the only waterproof I could find in my car. So hello Matt and Sarah. Motivation. What do we think about when we think about motivation? We think about motivation as a time issue. And actually, you know, you hear people say, oh, I just haven't got the time, before I know it, the day's gone. You know, all of those types of, well, not excuses, but reasons. And motivation isn't a time issue, it's an energy issue, and that's something totally different. And what's different about that? It's about energy draining tasks and about having boundaries around those and how to organise yourself in terms of giving yourself emotional space to be able to go swimming, which will then in turn give you more emotional space. So if we think about how do we motivate ourselves, well, one, you need to think of the benefits of wild swimming, and those benefits are numerous. They are, you know, reduces inflammation in the body, helps you sleep better, improves your mental health, anxiety, you know, lots of different things. And so you need to really research the benefits is number one. Number two is that you need to start your day with the most exciting task. And so with that in mind, you probably need to swim. If swimming is really what you want to do and it's the most exciting task, you need to start your day with a swim in the morning, if you can do that and if the tide times allow. And so basically try and get out of bed and do the swim in the morning, and then obviously there's more chance of you doing it. You need to outsource the energy draining tasks, and what I mean by that is, you know, if it's that you know you're making tea every night, because let's be honest, you know, the thought of being a mum and making tea every night for everybody just like after a bit wears you down. You know, you can outsource these things sometimes. You know, you can send your teenager to the shop to get some stuff for the tea. You can ask them to make a tuna pasta bake. You know, it might not be perfect, but it you know, it won't be so bad. You need to try and ask, if you've got a partner, you need to try and ask your partner to do just a few other things around the house, or a few other jobs, or speak to a certain person on the phone, you know, so that you've got some more emotional space. You know, the third thing is batch all your energy draining tasks together. If you do have to do energy draining tasks, batch them all together. Do them all in the morning, or do them all in the afternoon, or just after tea time, or just on a Saturday morning, or whatever. You need to batch them all together so that they're out of the way. Then that's it, you're not thinking about them and you've got more emotional space to plan your swims. Surround yourself with like-minded people and people that are going to motivate you. And so how do you do that? The easiest way to do that is to join a group. It's really important to join a group. One, for safety. Two, because they're going to show you how to do it. And three, because they're going to get you motivated to go out and do it. All the information that you might need, okay, if you download Wild, which is an app where it shows you where to go swimming, what's safe, what's not safe, and it might have some group information on there. If not, Open Water Swimming UK will be able to tell you about where the groups are near you. It's important that you join a group. One, they're going to show you what to do. Two, they're going to motivate you to be there. Three, it's going to be safer for you all around. So that's the other thing about being motivated. Don't make it about performance and pressure, you know, and succeeding and failing. Don't make it about that. If you go and if you only go in up to your knees, that's a start. You know, and it's better than totally nothing. You know, you've been outside in the fresh air with nature. Don't make it about performance and pressure. It's about you enjoying it. Be ruthless with saying no. You know, if you don't want to go around to the mother-in-laws and it's not actually essential that you have to, say no. You know, if somebody asks you to stay half an hour longer for a work meeting because that's when everybody else can attend, I'm sorry, it's not convenient for me. You know, just get used to saying no, and you'll have more emotional energy to be able to plan your swims. And like I've spoken before, once you get into the groove of that, it becomes much easier once you get into your stride. And the other thing that I just wanted to read to you is a little quote that I saw the other day by the fabulous Matt Haig, and from the Comfort book. And actually, it's just brilliant. Yeah, it's called Pizza. The sky isn't more beautiful if you have perfect skin. Music doesn't sound more interesting if you have a six-pack. Dogs aren't better company if you're famous. Pizza tastes good regardless of your job title. The best of life exists beyond the things we are encouraged to crave for. And I think that's quite good in terms of gratitude and just feeling fortunate to be able to go out and swim and make some emotional space for yourself. So if you're beginning swimming and you haven't done it yet, those are your motivational tips. If you have begun swimming but you haven't been in for a while, those are your emotional tips, and I hope they're helpful. Like I say, if you like my videos, please click on the button below, and I'm going to go in for a dip now, which I'll video. Can I just say, it's absolutely the perfect time to start swimming. The temperature's perfect. So if you really want to do it, and I hope my motivational tips have worked, or will work, sorry, and if you really want to do it, please go for it. If you want any more encouragement, please join my group, Outdoor Swimmers Total Beginners, on Facebook. And that's it. Dynamic Dipper from Morecambe Bay signing off. I'm going back in now.